Okay, so I opened the box. It comes with this pretty cool instructions for use manual from Holystone. I kind of thumbed through it. Again, it's got the contact information in case you have any problems. There's the USA, probably the Canada, and then Europe and Japan, and then there's the number and their website. So that's pretty cool. Instructions for use, and it has the different languages. That looks like Japanese maybe, and then that's German. So I thumbed through it. Like I said, it's very well laid out. The instructions look easy to follow. You can download the app by those QR codes. So it looks like it's very well laid out as a manual goes. Some manuals aren't that well laid out, but this one seems like it's very easy to follow and some good illustrations for you to kind of stay on track with setting this thing up. It also comes with this flight notebook, which I guess you use to document your flight times and flights and training and whatever you did. That's kind of just a cool little thing, and it's new. It's not even opened. As you can see, it's sealed, and there's a pin in there, and this is from Holystone. So again, it's like a flight logbook, basically. Little notebook. Bottom line, it's just a little notebook, but it's pretty cool. It has your cautions of battery, which I think is like a legal thing because you're transporting this with batteries. And then, honestly, I know it's a used drone, but from the layout of the packaging and from what I see here, it looks either well kept, like barely used kind of thing, or refurbished, because it appears like new, as though it was never used or barely used. So you have your landing gear, which is attached or together with that little bungee little thing. So here's your two little plastic landing gear for the drone. Looks like it comes with some spare props in a bag, and that's also sealed. So that looks very good stuff right there, because you get new stuff. Here is the USB charging connector to charge the battery, and to also charge the control unit here, handheld control unit. So this control unit has foam pads on it. Then you have your antenna here, and then this flips down to hold the phone. So that's how you set it up. And then I'm going to go through that again. This is just a basic unboxing. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail, but you got like your power button, which is there, and then I'm not sure what all these buttons are, honestly. There's a compass button there, and then on the back you have some other controls right there, which feel really really good. And then there's this button is for taking a still picture, and this one is for start and stop of the video recording. And then there's some other controls. I think these controls control the angle of the camera on the drone itself. So I'm gonna put this aside, and then here's the actual drone. And okay, so that it comes with spare landing gear, because there's landing gear already on it. And then there's the camera. It's a fixed camera. It doesn't have a gimbal. Again, this is like a hobbyist level drone. It's not like your super high professional level drones like a DJI Mavic or whatever. But it's good for a hobbyist or somebody who's just getting into drone flying like I am, so that if I do crash it or have a drone fly away, I've only spent 96 bucks. I don't plan on crashing it or having a drone fly away, but I do plan on practicing with it. Holystone is a Chinese company. I know we all have our views on Chinese made products. Bottom line, I got a great deal on it, and I am very excited to get into drone piloting, and as a hobby and as a commercial drone pilot, to see where this takes me. So thanks for watching my unboxing of the Holystone 110G Quadcopter. And there's, oh, this is the battery, by the way. There's only one battery. It appears, yep, only one battery. So it looks like I gotta get another battery because one battery ain't gonna do it. There's the battery. And oh, that one last thing. It takes like 3 hours to charge one battery, and then you get a 13-minute flight time. So that's kind of whack. But and so one battery obviously is not going to be enough to really have a lot of fun with it. I got to buy at least 2 more batteries. So I'm going to do that. Meanwhile, I'm going to charge this battery for the next 3 hours. And this was just an unboxing video, which I don't normally do, of the Holystone HS110G Quadcopter 1080p hobby level drone. So thanks for watching, guys. Staff Sergeant Calhoun out.